Well, it's another day in KooKooville. Dave Myers here. KooKoo for KooKoo. We are ready to start some cooking with KooKoo. How is everybody today? To this particular video, we're working on some beverages with our new favorite thing, and that's peppermint. And the peppermint that comes in the white chocolate mini bars from the KooKoo Exchange are proven to be very versatile. With that said, today we're going to make white chocolate peppermint Frappuccino. We're going to use the KooKoo Exchange chocolate coffee, and that comes in K-pods and also comes by the bag. And the K-pods are regular and decaf coffee. We're going to use, of course, the star of the show, the white chocolate peppermint mini bar, and the Chef Select chocolate. Then we got to do some other things and blend things together and stuff. So let's get started with this recipe for white chocolate peppermint Frappuccino. So we are going to start off by brewing our coffee. Put a pot in there, and we've got 8 ounces of coffee brewed. That's ready to go. The next step we do is we have 2 cups of ice, a tablespoon of simple syrup. Now this isn't that big a deal as far as if you don't have any simple syrup. Basically what this is half water, half sugar, so you can mix your own simple syrup up. And so I'm going to go with about a tablespoon of that. He says put the coffee in. So we got about 8 ounces of coffee here, half a cup of milk. You can use any kind of milk you like. Now we're gonna put into this our star of the show here, the peppermint mini bar, and we're just gonna, I think I'm gonna break it in half just because I can. The peppermint, white chocolate peppermint mini bar. It's a new product this fall, and it is a limited edition new product, so we don't know how long it's going to last, hopefully through the holidays. The next bar is we're going to give it the chocolate punch in here. This is our dark chocolate Chef Select bar that I believe is primarily designed for cooking or stuff like that. And we've used it in several other recipes. It has turned out spectacular. Okay, so we got to get our blender out here. We're going to put power. That'd be nice. We have power. And then we're going to hit smoothie here. Uh-oh. So I hope we got everything mixed in there pretty well. Okay, so we're going to top this off with some whipped cream. And then we have some single origin dark chocolate that we're just going to slightly grate over the top. We are going to kind of top that off a little bit with a little bit of holiday candy cane. There we go. So there you have it. We're going to give this Frappuccino a try. See what it goes down like. Oh. It's neat to have a coffee cool drink. It no strength or anything, not strong or overbearing with any flavor. Peppermint blends in good. Couple of slurps and it's almost gone, and I'm thinking about another one already. So you guys, in the description they'll have direct links to these products. Do not hesitate to reach out anytime and give us a call. If you're around in the area on the outer web, the internet, like this channel, Cooking with KooKoo. We are out here putting videos up all the time now. Since the pandemic started, we've been putting videos up. It's been a lot of fun. Learned a lot of stuff. Hope we're kind of entertaining you in some way. Hope we are educating you about food and what you can do to spice up your meal plan, your beverage plan, your holidays, your gift giving. And we appreciate you very much. So until next time on the Cooking with KooKoo channel, this is Dave Myers. KooKoo for KooKoo.